Hello viewers, today I have a Ninjago set here with me. Um the fangpyre truck ambush. It comes with two instruction manuals. Comes with 4 minifigs. Comes with a shuriken of ice right here. And the main injection, the fangpyre truck. Very nice detail. The stickers are very nice that come with it. The stickers on the ice glider are very nice. That looks realistic to the show, as you can see on the wheels right there. Front, I didn't have time to do the things that go on the wheels, so I'll get to that later on. It has very nice details with it, like this cockpit could go up and down, the mouth can open, the tail can figure. Just the tail does fall off. So I'm just gonna leave that out. I'm not gonna swivel it anymore because it's hard to put back on. But if it will fall off eventually, probably right when you build it, because that's what it did to me. As you can see, it has the purple flames in the back. Purple flames are sweet. Right here. It comes with the fangpyre general, phantom, and the fangpyre staff. It also comes with a very nice detail with it. Comes with Zane's ice glider, very nice stickers, movie realistic. The wheels can fall off sometimes if it doesn't go on a hard surface. So yeah, here's Jay. Zane. The fangpyre general. I showed you. And I didn't give you a yet, did I? Fandom right here. Fandom. The back, not as same as general. That could be talking in here. And here's dry. And one. They don't have the same printing on them. He has black printing and not really the same on the front either. But very nice. Really, really nice. Here's the back of the box. To show you what that looks like. Let me find myself. Oh, the cabinets do open. I don't know what's got a bomb on, but you can put the bomb in there. Put it up there. The tail controller I showed you earlier that kind of messed up. So you can get those and put them on a spinner if you don't want to put it on. I'm not going to do that because I don't really want to. Here it shows the characters with the silver sword. It looks very big from the bought, but it's really big, so I just want to show you that. Again, the tail does fall off, really a bunch of times, so you might not want to mess with it that much. You could probably play around with it, but not to touch the tail. You can definitely play with fangpyre. Yes, yes. You can play with it, but not with rough with it. So, bye bye. Hopefully, I do another video review. See ya. Oh, and in the comments, I have been looking for Lash's bite cycle. So, if in the comments you could tell me where that is, I'll be very glad. Bye.